special. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back to another segment of Talk Show. Yeah, this is Talk Show. We talk. It's called Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. It's Talk Show. Breakthrough Talk. When you want to hear something that will break you, you have to come into this place. It's called the workshop of Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. I've been to different kind of workshop. I started to set up my own workshop to deliver those who I was sent to deliver. Everybody has. You have something unique inside of you that I need. I have something unique inside of me that you need. That is the purpose of why this video gets into your hand. I say you have something unique inside of you that I need. I have something unique inside of me that you need. That is the reason and the purpose this video gets into your hand. And today I'll be talking on a subject I titled The Mystery of Your Thinking, Part 3. The Mystery of Your Thinking, Part 3. That's what we're talking about. The Mystery of Your Thinking, Part 3. Hold on, let me come back. I'll let you know.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. You know, I'm talking on a subject I titled The Mystery of Your Thinking. I've done Part 1, Part 2. This is Part 3. And you know, in the realm of thinking, you can never get to the end. In the realm of thinking, you can never get to the end of thinking. So every day, you must communicate with your thinking. You hear what I just said? I said every day, you must communicate with your thinking. Yes, if you don't communicate with your thinking, you lose a lot of things. You leave the realm of thinking and go and stuck in the realm of thought or in the realm of imagination. You hear what I just said? If you don't communicate with your thinking, you will leave the realm of thinking to enter into the realm of imagination and thought. And you'll be moving in circle inside your imagination and thought without even finding a solution towards anything you call problem, because thinking solve problem. Thinking solve problem. A lot of people who don't think, they just see things and see the way it is. They claim it to themselves. And they begin to live in the realm of circle. A lot of people, as I'm talking to you now, their thought of imagination is to go to abroad and stay. That's just their thought. They don't have any way to go to abroad, but their thought is to go to abroad. It's good. If you want to go, you are the earth, everywhere, you have right to stay anywhere. But they begin to struggle, begin to think in the realm of thought instead of in the realm of thinking. Because if you think very well, you get a lot of people. Like the other time, I was talking about my friend who said he said in traffic, that's how he come to abroad. I was like, wow. Say yes, me and my brother. My father said he has no money to pay our school fees. So we decided to sit in traffic and pay our school fees. From there, after we finish university, we come to abroad. Why somebody else said the only reason that made him is in traffic because he cannot pay his school fees. That's why he's selling to feed his family. Somebody said in traffic to pay his school fees. Somebody else said because no money to pay school fees. So you see, one of them is what? Staying in the realm of what? Imagination. Another one is staying in the realm of thinking. They are doing the same thing, but thinking allows one of them to go forward. So ask yourself, are you communicating with your thinking every day? Because if you are communicating with your thinking, you will see solution to the problem you think that has no solution. You know what I just said? When you think from the realm of imagination, it's different from when you think from the realm of communication. Because when you think, rethinking, you begin to ask questions. You begin to communicate with yourself, in yourself, and with yourself. Do you hear what I just said? If you think and you communicate with yourself, in yourself, you will be asking question, and the answer will be unfolding himself. Because this world is full of mystery. So when you are unfolding in the realm of what? Communication, Everything will be working, and you are going to be like you are on this earth, but you are not on this earth, because people will be looking at you from different form, because now everything will be fun to you. You'll be seeing people walking. They are not thinking. People are just walking. They are not thinking, just doing things. You know what? Let me go and come back. I'll put you in the another realm of thinking so that you see clearly what I mean by communicating with your thinking. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Hey, welcome back. Every day, you must ask yourself, are you thinking or not? Every day, you must know if you are thinking or not. Because some people are scared of thinking. It's a hard thing to think. It's a hard thing to think. Some people don't think. Some people don't think at all. Ever since they were born, they have not even taken time to think. When you see somebody sitting down somewhere with a mean face, you ask him, why are you mean? He said, no, I have a problem I need to solve. So why are you sitting alone? Because I need to think and meditate on my problem. At the end, he did not solve the problem. Do you think he think? No. It's just in the realm of imagination. It's not thinking. You know, energy cannot lie. Energy cannot lie. Someone will say, I don't think right. So you are not thinking right, yes. And we used to say the things. But if you are thinking, you understand that thinking has no left, has no right. Energy does not lie. How does energy look like? Say, I'm not thinking right. How did you know you are not thinking right? How does thinking look like? Can you show me thinking? When I made the decision to come back from America to come and do the will of God for my life, which I'm doing right now, this is the purpose I was born. I met with a lady. He said to me, why are you going back to Africa? I said, I just want to go and do the will of God for my life. That's the purpose of God for my life. He said, are you okay? Are you sure you are okay? People are trying to come back from Africa to America. Now you are going back. I said, I've lived here for more than 10 years. I have access to come anytime I want to come. But I don't want to stay here again. The lady looked at me. And I said, okay, listen to me. A fool said in Sat, there is no God. And God, who gave birth to me in the planet of Africa, did not do mistake. So I'm going to do the will of God for my life. There's a purpose why God gave birth to me in Africa. And that purpose must to come to fruition. So I leave my own head desire alone. My head desire is what I see. That's what people push. That's what people go after today. Their head desire. So I want to go after my heart desire. That's my purpose. So I leave my head desire alone. The woman look at me. The lady looked at me and said, I wonder to behold. You see what I did? I put him in the realm of thinking, because when he was talking to me, he was not thinking, he was just using imagination to talk. You understand? What people do, what people see, that's what they think they are doing every day. So ask yourself, what is coming out of you? If it's the result of what you are thinking, or it's the result of what you are feeling. Do you hear what I just said? Ask yourself every day, if what is coming out of you is the result of what you are feeling or what you are thinking. Like I said, energy does not lie. What you see is who you are. What you are feeling is what you think you're supposed to be feeling, or thought you're supposed to be feeling. You know what I say? What you say is who you are. But what you are feeling is what you thought or you think you're supposed to be feeling. Ask yourself every day if you are thinking or you are doing something else. Because ability for you to think, 85% of the things you think you have interest for, you won't have interest for them again. Someone like me who love cars. I love cars. I don't like cars. I love cars. I buy different kind of cars and I drive. But today, I don't have any interest on them. The only thing I have interest on is to impact people. That's what I'm doing right now. Pause. Check my videos. Go to different section of my video. Pause. Ask yourself every day, why am I always going in circle? Okay, I know the only person to tell the truth to is yourself, and you cannot lie to yourself. Ask yourself, are you thinking or you are worried? Thinking is all you need to succeed on earth. Thinking is all you need. I said what? Thinking is all you need to succeed on earth. So ask yourself every day, are you thinking? Because every day you must think. So if you do not think, maybe somebody is doing the thinking for you. Nobody has the right to control your life. You have the right to control your destiny. I say your life. The only person that has the right to control your life is the one that gave it to you. But your destiny, those things that happen, think. That's what I came here to talk to you about today. Just think. You know what? Hold on. I'll come back and tell you the power of the understanding of thinking, so that we'll round it up.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. Let us conclude on this subject. Every day, you need to understand that your thinking has a relationship with your vibration. You hear what I said? I said every day you need to understand that your thinking has a relationship with your vibration. You hear what I said? I said every day you need to understand that your thinking has a relationship with your vibration. Ask yourself, what are you vibrating now? Your thinking. If you don't understand your thinking, you are not doing anything on earth. Even though you have money, even though you have everything you think you need, you know within your heart, you are not happy. There's something missing. And the only missing link is thinking. Think. For us, he think in his heart. Not in his head, in his heart. For us, he think in his heart. So easy. I bet you if you ask 80 to 90% of your friends where they think from, they will tell you their brain, their mind, their this. So who is doing the thinking? If the vibration that you are vibrating, it's not going well with you, change your vibration through your thinking. You see the relationship? Change your vibration through your thinking. Someone say, I don't even understand how I can think that way, because all the time the things around me. No, not the things around you. You have the right to change everything around you. When you change what is going on inside of you, the vibration you are feeling inside of you, that's what you are manifesting outside. So try your possible best every day. You have to try. Give it a try. Think. People are scared of thinking, because to go inside is where the problem is. If you are thinking something outside, you think, you understand what you are thinking inside, that's what you are attracting. You are thinking lack inside. That's what you are thinking. You are thinking lack inside, and your thinking has a relationship with your vibration. So the only vibration you will see outside of you is lack. I know in the realm of thinking, there is no lack. But you cannot get to the end of thinking. I can talk of thinking from nothing. Next year, I won't get tired of talking about it, because we will not get to the end of thinking. So the vibration. Someone asked me, how will I change my vibration? I say, think. I say, I always think. I say, you don't think, you imagine. That's why you're asking me how you can change your vibration. So you say things are not going well with you, and you are the one that meant to go well with things. You see, you are not thinking. Things are things. The vibration that you are sending out, if it does not match with your thinking, that means it match with your imagination, or it match with what you think, the result of what you think you need. And when you focus your attention on, on the result instead of focusing your attention on your thinking, the result you are looking for will be far from you. You know what I said? When you focus your attention on the result, I need this thing, I need this thing, I need this thing, that means you are not thinking. You are focusing your attention on the result. So the vibration that you are sending at is I need something that has nothing to do with you at the first place. That's your head's desire. But focus your attention on thinking, then the vibration of everything you need will just be coming to you without you even asking. Every month I fly. Sometimes people buy my ticket for me, not because I just want them to buy my ticket for me or I cannot afford my ticket. But what I was not thinking, nobody even want to buy me ticket. Nobody want to even come close to me. But today now, because I understand the power of thinking, there's power inside thinking. So you need to understand that your thinking has a relationship with your vibration, not your imagination. Ask yourself, what are you vibrating? Ask yourself, what kind of vibration are you sending at? You just cannot live that way. You just cannot live that way. You just cannot live that way. One of the greatest legends who has lived on this earth, Bob Marley, made it clear. He said, you just cannot live that negative way. You know what I am saying? That's what Bob Marley said. Say you just cannot live that negative way. Say you know what I am saying. Say make way for make way. Say make way for the positive. Of course, you just cannot live that way. Say make way for the positive. That's what Bob Marley said. Say make way. So ask yourself today now, which energy are you bringing out from you? From his own point of view. From my own point of view, I will tell you, there's no negative energy, there's no positive energy, because we can't see how it look like. Energy has no left, no right. One of the greatest teachers of all time, he said, the wind blow where it wish, and you hear the sound and cannot tell where it come from or where it go. So is everyone who is born of the spirit. When you are thinking, you are in the realm of the spirit. You hear what I said? While you are thinking, you are in the realm of the spirit, and nobody can stop spirit. If nobody can stop spirit, nobody can stop what is coming out of my mouth. Nobody can stop you. So go inside and think. Everything you ever need is inside the realm of your thinking. I said everything you ever need is in the realm of your thinking. I said everything you ever need is in the realm of your thinking. I still have much to say. But you cannot be here there now. I'll come back in next episode and show you a lot of things you need to know. Go into my video, watch all the video. And don't worry about what is coming out of my mouth. Worry about what is coming out of you. I'm just introducing you to something that you need to know about yourself. That's all I do. I show people the light of who they are. I'm not telling you to go do anything. Just think. Everything that you do will come alive on its own. So think. It's what I was born to do, to turn on the light inside people. Understand? Because darkness and light work together for good. But my own work on earth is to turn on the light so that when you get to a certain place, you have the right to off it, you have the right to turn it. You hear what I just say? You have the right to off it and you have the right to turn it on. So turn on your light and let's through the realm of thinking. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.